everyone, so today I have got a Ghost Fragrances advent calendar. How exciting is this? You guys know that I absolutely love perfumes. It's just something about perfumes. This comes in like a beautiful, like I would say a book style sort of carton. Now I know this is not a recent advent calendar. I know this has been out before for a little while, like maybe last year's, because I seen it and I was going to get it but I never got it. Yeah, but I found it on a shop called the Fragrance Counter. Yeah, and it was £26, so I thought, well, it's still available. I will link it down below, and anyways, hopefully it hasn't sold out by the time this goes up. But I will try and find it elsewhere for you if it has. But yeah, I got it from a shop called the Fragrance Counter. Like I say, I will link it down below. This cost me £26, and I think it's 12 days. Yeah, it says 12 days of Christmas, and it says it's got 6 mini Ghost fragrances in, so that's good. So we're getting 6 fragrances. So the 6 other days are probably going to be tatty days, I would imagine. So I've just asked Alexa, and it is about £2.17 a day for this advent calendar. I really love the aesthetic and everything like that, and I really do hope that Ghost do one this year. I think they've had other ones out too, but this is the one that it's like a recent one that I've seen. Yes, I'm just so excited. You guys know I love advent calendars. So we're going to unbox it anyway, so let's get to unboxing this. So like I said before, it's around about £2.17 a day. I'm sorry about the glare. It's the sun's going down, and I packed my lights away for the winter, and I haven't gotten them out yet. So as you open it, it's like a beautiful box, and it's actually got a mirror, which is actually stunning. And it says, "On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me." Oh my god, that's so pretty. That is so pretty. So it is just like a box style one. So I'm just going to have it lying like that. And it's covered in this like protective film. I need to open it up. So that's it there. I'm really excited about it. Right, so we want day number 1, which is this little box here. I really hope it's good. I really hope it's good. So it feels decently sized. Let's have a look, see what you are. Oh, it's wrapped like that. Right, it's wrapped. It is, right, it's a Ghost fragrance. It's this one here. I've had this fragrance before. It's really quite nice. It is, I think, 5ml or 15ml, but I think it's a 5ml. Looking at the size of it, but you can't see, there's like writing over the top of writing. That's really nice. I like that day. And I've used that fragrance before, and it's a very light, fresh fragrance in my opinion. So that was day number 1, and I feel like that we've get more money's worth out of that one. So in day number 2, I feel like it might be a fragrance again, or maybe a nail polish. It feels quite heavy. Oh, I'm right. It is a nail polish, and it is in like a beautiful brown colour. Really nice colour actually. And that is it there. And one thing I will say actually is I really like Ghost fragrances. I feel like they're really good budget fragrance, but they smell nice. If you have watched any of my fragrance collections, you probably know I've had quite a few Ghost fragrances over the years. So that was day number 2. And day number 3. Day number 3 is heavy, and it's a bit longer. And it just feels heavy. I can't guess. I don't know. Oh, we've got a fragrance now. I always wanted to try this one. I don't think I have. And it is the one with the iridescent packaging. How stunning is this? This is a big bottle. I think this is a 10ml. This is beautiful. Like, absolutely stunning. Look at it hitting the light. Oh, what a beautiful bottle that is. Let's have a sniff. So it's sweet. Just getting the excess. Oh, that's beautiful. What a beautiful fragrance that is. It's so sweet and springy. Oh, stunning fragrance. Buzzing with that. Like, absolutely buzzing. And day number 4, which is a big one, so I'm guessing probably not a fragrance, because this will be a pricey fragrance. So maybe a shower gel or something like that. Let's have a look, see. Oh, I think maybe a hand cream or something. It's feeling like a cream. It's a Ghost the Fragrance hand cream. And I don't know whether it has a scent. Yeah, it smells lovely, to be honest. It smells really nice and sweet, but whether I would want that in a hand cream is the question, because I think because I've got such sensitive hands, you guys know, like, I mean, I don't know if you can see, I've got really dry skin on my hands, so I really don't want fragrances in my hand cream if I can. To be honest, I didn't really like that day. Like, that was my least exciting day for me up to now. So that was day number 4. So we want day number 5. And this is it here. I think maybe a nail polish again. Oh, I just love. No, it's another one. Oh, it's in that same shape bottle, but it's different. This one is blue. Oh, I just love these bottles. They're stunning. Like, absolutely simple and stunning. Gorgeous. Modern and all. This is a total different scent, you know. I'm just using the excess as what's on the top. This is like got a bit of spiciness to it. Oh, it's beautiful though. It's fresh and spicy. And it is a 10ml. Yeah, absolutely over the moon with that. You guys know I love fragrances. Buzzing with that. Absolutely over the moon. I hope they make another one. Day number 6 is this one here. It's very light. I'm guessing a mirror. Oh no, I'm totally wrong. It is a card holder. How pretty is this? It feels like a faux leather, but this is stunning. Like, I would use this. This is beautiful. It has one slot there and one slot there. It's actually stunning. It's such a nice material. Yeah, I love that. Love that. Really like that, actually. That was day number 6. Day number 7 is above it. And I'm guessing a soap. Have a look. Right, no, I think it's going to be one of the Half Moon perfumes now, and it is. I love this one. This one is one of my favorites. It's the Ghost of Night, I think it's called. I've had this is what you would have seen this in perfume collections, empties. I've had this a few times. Oh, and it is just like a deep, before I got Black Opium, this was my like deep sexy perfume. But obviously Black Opium is like a sexy, deep perfume in my opinion too. But I do like this. This is, and it doesn't smell like Black Opium at all, but it gives you that same sexiness vibe. It's a really nice fragrance. If you haven't tried this, I would definitely recommend it because it is a very budget friendly for fragrance. So we want day number 8, which is this one down here. It feels less light, so I'm guessing maybe a makeup sponge. No, I'm wrong. I'm not doing very well at this guessing. It is 2 little star bath fizzers. Aren't they cute? I like them. They smell really nice. They smell really nice. I think one's lilac and one's pink. Am I right? What do you guys think? Yeah, I really like that. Something cute. Would I say it's worth £2.16 for this day? Definitely not. You know, they're tiny. I wouldn't say they were worth £2.16. Number 9 is this one up here. I'm guessing a perfume or maybe a nail varnish. We've got another perfume, and it is this one here, which is called Ghost Sweetheart. Let's have a look, see at this. Oh, this is like a light, fresh musk scent. Reminds me of banana. So if you've ever smelled like Avon soft musk, it's given that vibes. It's really nice. Really, I would wear that. It's such a pretty fragrance. Yeah, that's really nice. I've never smelled that one before. Yeah, so I'm happy with that one. That was day number 9. So we want day number 10. Feels light. We've got a nail polish in like a grey beigey shade, like a nudie shade. Really quite nice. The formula doesn't look too bad. It looks quite thin too, which is always good. You don't want it to be too thick and clunky. Yeah, that's beautiful. Really nice. That was day number 10. We'll come to the end. How sad. So we went day number 11. Very light this. Very light. I think it might be another hand cream. No, it's a lip balm that is it there. So to be honest, not all the items are kind of usable items. So right, let's have a feel of it. It just feels how to say it, like Vaseline in a tube. Yeah, it's just like Vaseline in a tube, but it's got a scent of cocoa butter. Yeah, 100%. 100%, yeah. So we went day number 12, which is the last day. So I haven't got a clue what we're going to get. And I don't know, I haven't been keeping count whether we've had all our fragrances either. So I don't know whether this is a fragrance or not. It's a fragrance. Oh, that's good. I'm glad. So yes, this is beautiful and all. It's the other Half Moon, but the one in like an orange bottle. Absolutely stunning. I'm so excited about this. I've had this before, and I've had this in gift guides before. This is beautiful. It's so, I think, a summer fragrance. So summery. Very, like, just, I can't even describe it. It's just a beautiful scent. Honestly, if you can get a sample or something, I would recommend. This scent is not like anything I've smelled before. And I think that's why I liked it last time. And I think that's why I recommend it. It just smells like summer to me, but in just the best way. Not like sunscreen summer. Like summer. Beautiful. Beautiful fragrance. Beautiful. So that is the Ghost 12-day advent calendar. What did you guys think of it? I actually loved this advent calendar. I feel like it was definitely worth my £26. I don't know how much it was like originally, but that's how much I paid, £26. And I honestly feel like I got my money's worth. I feel like they didn't give us, not one item was a tat product. Everything is a usable item, even though I'm not the biggest fan of, say, the lip balm or the hand cream. Everything is a usable item. And all them little bath fizzers were definitely not worth the £2 something, but I feel like the other days made up for that day. I really like this, and I think this is a good one to get if it's still available. I hope it is. I'm going to have a link down below for you. I will find it, don't worry. That's the only thing about buying advent calendars like at this time, just before like it, because it's coming. Next month is the actual time, August, when all the advent calendars come. But I feel like we're getting like the stock of maybe last year's advent calendars now, but this is the time to get them, you know, the ones that maybe you were like in the look of last year but you didn't want to pay the full prices or something. Yeah, I'm over the moon with this, but it's absolutely beautiful and I'm very happy. And then perfumes are all beautiful perfumes, so yeah, I think this would make a beautiful gift. I think this is great for all the ranges, my age range, my niece's age range, which is 12, late teens. I think this is an all-round good advent calendar. I love that the box is like a mirror. You could even paint the box. It's pretty enough as it is, but if say if you're a DIYer, you could paint the box to make it look like a nice fancy jewellery box. I think it's fab. I'm actually over the moon with this advent calendar. One of the best advent calendars I had. One of the best advent calendars I've had, yeah. I loved it. Let me know what you guys think of this advent calendar. If I can find any more ghost advent calendars, would you like me to try and get them and unbox them for you? And actually, I will just say Ghost is a very underrated perfume brand. So if you are thinking of fragrances to get people for Christmas, Ghost is a good choice to get. Yeah. And I will see you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and anyways, I would love you to subscribe down below. I unbox loads of advent calendars, and I always do an advent calendar giveaway at Christmas where I have one item from all the advent calendars I've unboxed in that. And yeah, I will hope you enjoyed this video, and anyways, if you like these type of videos, like I say, please subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.